Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Football is where we kick off following a scathing attack on the leadership of the Jamaica Football Federation, JFF, after international friendlies last year. Head coach of the Reggae Boys, Theodore Whitmore, seems to be getting some of what he has requested from the hierarchy. Jerome Foster reports.
JFF President Michael Ricketts cleared one major hurdle in settling wage disputes with players. However, head coach Theodore Whitmore had long appealed for more support staff for the Gold Cup and the World Cup qualifiers. One key element for Whitmore in his technical report following the friendly internationals against Saudi Arabia was to have a contracted physical trainer. That problem was compounded prior to the United States friendly in March, where the team left the island without one. But Ricketts defended the decision not to hire one full-time.
And we thought it was unwise to not playing football for over a year to have a contractual arrangement with a physical trainer. I think we really ought to be more prudent with our spending. So we took a decision that will bring on a physical trainer on a game-by-game basis. And the truth is that we had negotiated with this physical trainer. He had agreed to travel and just didn't turn up at the airport.
But there is at least one change that Coach Whitmore would appreciate, which he recommended to enhance team preparation.
We would have gotten the instant machinery which tracked each player, the chairman of the technical committee, and he was able, based on results from that instant exercise, tell me the work rate of every single player that played in that last game against the US. We are slowly getting things together, and even though it might seem a little late, but all things considered, it is not exclusively unique to us.
Despite agreeing to terms for the players' contracts, affordability to offset the cost is still a concern for Ricketts. But he says an innovative approach is in progress.
We got a document from a company that we've been having some discussions with. We're going to look at the proposal, and I'm absolutely sure within a few days we will make an announcement as it relates to probably a model that is not unique to us, but certainly something that we think will work. And we do believe that we would, at this time, position ourselves so that we can raise some funds for both the Gold Cup and the World Cup of both genders.
President Ricketts still harbors thoughts of a truncated Premier League. But what about smaller clubs?
As it is now, it is hardly likely that we're going to have a second tier for this football year. But certainly by then, all the plans would have been fleshed out, and certainly all the details and logistics will be made available.
Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.